In the CloudBacko Go installer download page, select the SPK Online installer to start downloading the installer. Once the installer is downloaded, log into the Synology Web Admin console. Open the Package Center and select Install option. Then click on the Manual Install button. Click on Browse to select the downloaded SPK installer. And then click on Next to continue. Accept the terms. Click on Next to continue. Go back to the download page and copy the URL information and paste it into the URL field of the installer. Then click on Next to continue. Then click on Apply button to start the installation. Depending on your internet connection speed, this can take a few minutes. When the installation is completed, click on the Open button to start up CloudBacko Go. On the login screen, enter your username and password. Once in the CloudBacko Go main screen, click on the Backup Sets tile. Then click on the plus to create a file backup set called File Daily, for example. Next, we're going to select to back up the Documents folder on the Synology NAS device. Then we're going to define an automatic backup schedule for this backup set at 8 PM daily. Now choose where you want CloudBacko Go to store your backed up files. We're going to use the 100 gig free CloudBacko drive for this backup set. For the encryption key, we're going to use the default encryption key setting. Confirm your encryption key settings, and you're done. Click on Backup Now. The backup is started. Easy.